Last week, the market was anxiously waiting for Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, as investors were looking for clues on future monetary policy of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Expectations that the Federal Reserve won't make any drastic changes amid current situation pushed the US dollar lower. By the middle of the week, the US dollar index, which measures its value against the basket of 6 major currencies, fell to the level of 92.90. As soon as these expectations had been confirmed, and Jerome Powell said that premature tightening of the monetary policy could be a particularly harmful mistake, the greenback accelerated its decline. By the end of the weekly session, the US currency depreciated by 0.8% to 92.68. Against this backdrop, the quote of the euro-dollar pair returned to the level of early August. On Friday, the price approached the resistance level of 1.1800. Besides, investors had other reasons to open long positions on the euro. In particular, the data on business activity in the eurozone showed an increase to a 15-year high in August. As for the pound sterling, it became more attractive for investors. Unlike the Fed, the Bank of England recognizes the need to raise interest rates in the near term, as the economic state in the UK is quite favorable for this. In the meantime, the crypto market closed this week on a high note. The price of Bitcoin rose above the level of $50,000 per token for the first time since May 2021. However, it couldn't hold there for long. Yet the price managed to stay above the support level of $47,000. It's very likely that this week crypto traders will make another attempt to push Bitcoin to new highs. In the commodities market, the weekly gains turned out to be the biggest since June 2020. For the past trading week, Brent crude accelerated by 11.7% to $72.63 per barrel, its highest level since August the 2nd. Oil traders are worried by the fact that oil production is being shut in the Gulf of Mexico as Hurricane Ida comes ashore. Gold was also trading higher. The price of the precious metal reached the level of $1,818 per troy ounce on Jerome Powell's speech and the resumption of restrictive measures in some Asia-Pacific countries amid the worsening of the coronavirus situation. You've watched the combined review of currency and commodity markets on InstaTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.